Hey, being on a smaller go-to-market team isn't always fun in games, but having the right plays can always keep you a step ahead.
This series breaks down how to handle real go-to-market moments inside Accoil, fast, focused, and built to surface product signals that can drive your next move.
Hi everyone, I'm Peter.
And I'm Kate.
Today we are going after what you may consider the holy grail of SaaS, that is turning trials into paying customers.
Now I know what you're all thinking, easier said than done.
Yeah, but with the right plays inside of Accoil especially, it's not just doable, it's game-changing.
So let's show you how. So what we're interested in here is actually looking at all your trialers who could potentially be very well primed to become paying customers. And so what you're really interested in, because often you're flying blind and you actually don't know who's activating well, who's engaging with your product well and who's not. So by using Accoil, it allows you to understand what's happening with your trialers, how well they're using your product, if they're not using your product, and where you should be prioritizing. So just looking here, we can see those in the green with a higher score are doing very well, and then those with the yellow are doing not so well. So if you've actually got to decide who do I focus on, you would be looking to focus on the ones that are using the product, trying the different features, and basically taking a deeper look at what your product is. Those are the ones you are more likely to convert to paid, and they're going to see your value.